Looking for a peaceful corner townhome with primary living and master bedroom all on the main level? Welcome to Chestnut Grove in the heart of Fleetwood. This rare 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom corner unit offers just under 1,700 square feet of living and shares only one wall, giving it the added privacy and peaceful serenity. On the main floor, you'll find a bright living room with tall ceilings, a gas fireplace, and a spacious open-concept kitchen. Bonus, step out to your private fenced yard nestled beside a beautiful, tranquil ravine, perfect for relaxing summer evenings. Enjoy your large primary bedroom on the main, complete with a walk-in closet and a full ensuite. Upstairs, find 3 more bedrooms and another full bathroom, ideal for kids, guests, or an office. This home features a double-car garage, a natural backdrop, and unbeatable proximity to Fleetwood Village, top-rated schools, parks, transit, and the future SkyTrain extension. A rare gem of convenience, location, and space. I'm Victoria Mejia with Royal LePage Wollstonecroft, and I'm proud to showcase this home.